There is a three-way you have to extract unique values from your Excel chart. First one is advanced filter, and second one you can use the formula to extract value from Excel sheet, and third one is remove duplicates. So today I will show you the all functionality step by step. First of all, we are going to the advanced filter, how it's work. Let's say there is a chart. This is actually the duplicates below in this list. Here you can see one of that, and that second one, and third one, and fourth one. So we will extract unique value from this list. So how you will do it easily? First, you should open your Excel sheet and you will find your home button, insert button, page layout, and then formulas, and then data, and there is a option advanced. So you click here advanced and find the advanced filter. So you should select the list range, which range you will be extract, and I am just giving the list range here from C3 to C41. If you want to extract the unique value in the existing position, you don't need the copy to another location. If you want to list on another cell, then you just click on copy to another location where you want to extract the unique values, and then you should choose the path where you want to extract, then click here and selection the path and click unique records only and click OK, and you will see the unique values come here. So in the another video we will show you the formula how you can use it to extract values.